How to open RAR files on iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can open RAR files in your iPhone. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So if you want to open RAR files which are zipped, if you want to do that, you'll first have to extract the file. To extract the file, all you need to do is head back to your home screen and search for an app called Shortcuts. Now that is the default app on iPhone. You can easily find it. If you don't find it, you can download it on your app store as well. Open up Shortcuts app, and after you open up your Shortcuts app, you'll then need to tap on the plus icon on the top right corner. Tap on plus, and after you tap on plus, search for files. After you search for files, just tap on search, and there you'll see a file. This is the one right here. Tap on file, and after you do that, you'll need to tap on file right here. After you tap on file, you'll need to select the RAR file, that is the RAR file. So select it and tap on open, that is on the top right corner. After you select the RAR file, what you'll then need to do is you will need to add more actions. Now to add more actions, tap on search action and search for extract. Here you'll find extract archive. Select extract archive, and that's the second one. Now after you do that, what you'll then need to do is you'll need to save the file. Now simply search for save, and after you find save file, save that. Now as you can see, these are the flow. First your RAR file is selected, then it is extracted, then it is saved. Now tap on done and it should get saved. Now this is the shortcut that we'll use to extract the RAR file. Tap on save file. Now let it run, and now select the folder where you want to save it. I'll just tap on this folder and then tap on open. After doing that, the RAR file will get extracted. Now you can just head over to your files and head over to the folder where you extracted it. So there we go. Now you've just extracted the file. Now everything that was in my RAR file is now in this folder, and that's basically how you open a RAR file on iPhone. Thanks for watching guys. That is basically how you do it. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos, and bye bye.